Hello viewers, SEO workers, SEO clerks, users, Whitehead SEO professionals. Hope you are all well. It's me Masud BCL from Bangladesh. You are watching my YouTube channel. This is an English video, English blog. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you cannot miss any videos from my YouTube channel at the future time. I oftenly make videos about SEO, Whitehead SEO and SEO clerks marketplace related. SEO Clerk is a marketplace about Whitehead SEO professionals. SEO Clerks is the world-based SEO marketplace. By registering one-time SEO Clerk marketplace, you are able to do work with 7 more affiliate marketplaces. Every marketplaces you are open to register, you are open to create a free profile, you are open to arrange to a good profile, and you can create some services to sell and to get regular money from SEO Clerks marketplace on your user accounts, on your payment accounts. Nowadays, SEO Clerks is changing their business model. They have developed a new system, like you have to put your SEO Clerks related payment system within service section and also the settings section, and you can withdraw money from SEO Clerks also. SEO Clerks has been developed huge payment section, payment within their SEO Clerks settings section, and it's varying from country to country, like which payment sections are available from Bangladesh. Those maximum, some of them are not available within India, some of them are not available with Australia, some of them are not available with England. Country to country, they are adding huge payment system. It's a completely new and beautiful idea. Everybody of European and American buyers, they have PayPal accounts and they can pay directly by SEO Clerks to the seller payment account, PayPal accounts. Now at this time, SEO Clerks have some update. The first update is you have to put your personal payment settings on every services. You cannot create below $5 services. Now for a few times, or now for a fixing times, withdraw by PayPal is not available from withdraw section. You can withdraw money by Hyperwallet, Paylocity, account transfer, wire transfer system, or the Payoneer payment section. Payoneer payment system. Payoneer is the world's most beautiful payment system for every marketplace freelancers. By connecting your personal payment service with SEO Clerks seller services like PayPal, you can collect 100% payment from buyer. The most important thing is SEO Clerk marketplace related techniques, tips, tricks, and some more information. You can get all information together from my YouTube channel homepage. If you check my YouTube channel homepage, there you will find SEO Clerks marketplace related English tutorials. You can check the full English tutorials. There have 8 videos. If you check the full 8 videos, then you will get huge tips, tricks and techniques about the SEO Clerks previous time, and now I am saying some new features within this video. SEO Clerks had free boosting section. Free boosting section is not available at this time. You have to buy paid boost system, or you can buy feature service for 1 month by $1,000 from SEO Clerks. You can get the link of the tutorial with this video description and the permanent feature link with this video description also. If you want to sell your services large amount, or if you think you will get large number of sales, then you can use the permanent feature section, and I'm definitely sure that feature will give you some beautiful options to get orders more and continuously. At this time, we can say SEO Clerks new business model will stay, because we got an update, an official update from SEO Clerks support section, and they are saying that this business model will stay. So it will be brilliant and clever idea for everyone to get compatible with SEO Clerks new business model section. The more compatible you will be soon, the more you will get the relax for getting more orders. For Bangladeshi users, the most important withdrawal method is Payoneer. You have to have a Payoneer account, and I believe every freelancers have Payoneer account. You can withdraw your money from SEO Clerks to your Payoneer accounts. In seller section, you can add skill, which is allowed by Bangladesh. You can use ARTM, that is also allowed by Bangladesh, and that you can use CoinGate, but CoinGate is a cryptocurrency wallet section, and Bangladesh have some barrier about to use CoinGate or cryptocurrency wallet payment system. By Yatiem, you can receive the money from Yatiem to your mobile wallet. Bangladesh have mobile payment system, and this is good for huge sellers. They are receiving their payments from SEO Clerks to Yatiem to their personal mobile wallet system. And for other country and worldwide country, you can use PayPal. Ultimately, PayPal is the most beautiful payment system for this world. Everybody loves to pay by PayPal. PayPal have friends and family section. PayPal have business section, and every business section have API settings also. You have to add your business API with SEO Clerks to get regular payment with SEO Clerks, and in case of buyer, maybe it is also necessary to add the API, business API of PayPal. Secondly, there have Authorize.net. Authorize.net is available with USA, and some more features are available with Australia, UK also. Australia, Canada and UK, you can use Authorize.net to receive the payments. And one more feature was available with SEO Clerks, that is called Add Funds to Balance. This was a very much beautiful function. I think, or I hope, this function will return with SEO Clerks buyer add funds to balance, directly funds adding to SEO Clerks balance, and to buy services from any SEO Clerks users around the world within this world. I believe SEO Clerks have minimum 100K sellers, and they have minimum 500K services around this world. If you are searching to buy any SEO Clerks SEO related service, whitehead SEO related service for your business, for your product, for your services, for your blog, or for your any businesses, any web pages, and if you want to promote it to the worldwide, like by press release, article write, forum posting, high PA, high DA, link building, backlink, or anything you are trying to get rank on search engines or search engine result pages, then you can take the help of Whitehead SEO based marketplace, SEO marketplace within this world. The marketplace name is SEO Clerks. You can register directly from this marketplace to my description, to my affiliate link. I shall give the affiliate links in the description below. You can register as a buyer or as a seller, and if you have any online skill, if you have any online sales skill, if you know any special works within internet like digital marketing, website design, web developing, graphics design, programming, coding, WordPress, or any works, you can sell those on here, SEO Clerks. SEO Clerks have large number of categories to enter your services and to sell your services. Hope you will visit the SEO Clerks marketplace from the link below in the description, and will register free as your choice, and you can start work with SEO Clerks also. Talk to you on next video. Till then, take care.